January isn't over yet for UK gardeners, but you need to be very selective about what you sow now in January. So what seeds can you still sow this month in January? The seeds that we can still sow this month, the ones that I've started off myself personally, and I'm up north in the UK, and I've started off some peppers, which are popping through, some chilies, they're also popping through, and aubergines. Those are the three main seeds what you should be starting this month in the UK, and basically they need a long growing season, as one year I started my peppers off in March and they were only just ripening in September, whereas last year I started them off in January and we were getting some great crops from them. So they need a long period to grow. Now the only thing is with them three seeds is that they need heat to germinate, heat and light. Without natural light they will grow very weedy, and yeah, they won't grow very well at all. So they need plenty of natural light when growing. So I've got mine on my windowsill and they're growing amazingly and they're looking really healthy at the moment. We'll be potting them on to the second pots pretty soon. So make sure that they have heat. They need about 25 degrees to heat. Now it's very warm in my flat where I am, so they're getting plenty of heat and they're getting plenty of light from the windowsill. So make sure you have plenty of that to be able to do with. Obviously there's a lot of people using artificial lighting, which is good in a sense, but it doesn't do as good as the natural light always does. And yeah, they can grow very straggly if you're not getting the natural light to them. And obviously keep turning them around as well so that they don't just point in one direction. So yeah, that is what you need to do if you're growing them. I've also started off some broad beans. You can start off them this month. Make sure you go for the winter variety of aquadulus if you're growing them, as they are hardy for the winter and the frost and the snow won't kill them. And also you can start onion seeds off at this time of month, not the sets but the seeds, and again they'll need warmth and light to get them growing pretty good as well. You can also go out and get your potatoes ready for chitting. I've started all mine chitting. If you've not seen about chitting, check one of my other videos out, how to chit potatoes. We've got them, we'll be planting them on Good Friday. I always stick with the moon with growing my potatoes. It's an old gardener's tale, but I've always stuck to that myself. So yeah, you can start them this month as well. And obviously you can go out and buy all your other seeds ready for starting to sow in March time, which we'll talk about in another video. So make sure you follow us along for all these tips and advice on when to plant all your seeds and tips on how to grow them. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.